My dear brothers and sisters in Islam and in humanity, may peace, mercy, and blessing of Allah be upon you. Today my topic is each attribute of God is unique and possessed by Him alone. The Holy Quran says, say, call upon Allah or call upon Rahman. By whatever name you call upon Him, it is well. For to Him belong the most beautiful names. Al-Quran 17 verse 110. A similar message regarding the beautiful names of Allah is repeated in the Holy Quran in Surah Al-Araf 7 verse 180, in Surah Taha 20 verse 8, and in Surah Al-Hashr 59 verse 23 to 24. The Quran gives no less than 99 different attributes to Almighty God, and the crowning one is Allah. The Quran refers to Allah as Ar-Rahman, most gracious, Ar-Rahim, most merciful, and Al-Hakim, all-wise, among many other names. You can call Allah by any name, but that name should be beautiful and should not conjure up a mental picture. Not only does God possess unique attributes, but also each attribute of Almighty God is sufficient to identify Him. I shall clarify this point in detail. Suppose we take the example of a famous personality, say, astronaut Neil Armstrong. If someone says Neil Armstrong is an American, the attribute of being American possessed by Neil Armstrong is correct, but not sufficient to identify him. Similarly, Neil Armstrong is an astronaut. The attribute of being an astronaut is not unique to Neil Armstrong. To identify the person uniquely, we must look for a unique attribute. For example, Neil Armstrong was the first human to set foot on the moon. So when one asks who was the first man to set foot on the moon, the answer is only one, i.e. Neil Armstrong. Similarly, the attribute of Almighty God should be unique, e.g. creator of the universe. If I say creator of the building, it may be possible and true, but it is not unique. Thousands of people can make a building, so there would be no difference between man and God. But each attribute of Allah points to none but Allah. So when one asks, who is Ar-Rahim, the most merciful, there can be only one answer, i.e. Almighty Allah. To continue with the earlier example, if somebody says Neil Armstrong is an American astronaut who is only 4 feet tall, the attribute American astronaut is correct, but its associated quality, only 4 feet tall, is false. Similarly, if someone says that God is the creator of the universe with 1 head, 2 hands, 2 feet, etc., the attribute creator of the universe is correct, but the associated quality in the form of a human being is wrong and false. Since there is only one God, all the attributes should therefore point to the one and the same God. To say that the creator is one God and the cherisher is another God is absurd, because there is only one God with all these attributes combined together. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.